Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing a Smurf. I'll be drawing on my tablet. You can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing a sideways oval for the nose. Then on top, let's draw the eyes. We'll start with a small line up. Then let's curve it out and back in on both sides. Next, inside each eye, let's draw another curve at the top to thicken the line up. Then let's hop down and let's draw a circle inside each eye. And then another circle in the center. And color these in black. And lastly, let's draw another small circle inside on the top right. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop on top and draw the eyebrows. Let's start with a curve across on top of each eye. Then from the center, let's bring it up slightly and curve it out to thicken up the eyebrows. Now we're going to hop down and draw the mouth. Underneath on the left, let's draw a small curve. Then let's curve it down and over to the right. And another curve underneath this one. Now inside at the top, let's draw a line across and bring it up for the teeth. And then a bump at the bottom for the tongue. And that's it for the mouth. Now we're going to hop out and draw the shape of the face. Let's start on the left side around the same level as the eyes, and let's draw a curve up and bring it down to the other side. And then a large curve down underneath and back up to close off the head. Now on the sides, let's draw the ears. Let's curve it out and bring it in. Then let's add a curve up near the top. And then underneath, let's draw a bump down and curve it out. And that's it for the ears. Now let's hop on top and draw the hat. Let's start on the left on top of the ear, and let's draw a curve up and bring it down on the other side. Now to continue the hat, let's start on the left and let's draw a large curve up and over to the right side. Now from the end, let's curve it down, curving it in and up. And then one more curve down on the right to close off the hat. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's leave a gap and let's draw two curves down and in for the sides of the body. And then at the bottom, let's draw a curve across. And then hop in and let's draw a curve inside for the top of the pants. Next, we're going to hop to the sides and draw the arms. Let's start with a curve down and the same on the right side. And the same thing on the inside. Now for the hands, let's draw a bump down Curve it in and back out. Now for the next finger, let's draw a longer curve down and back up. Another finger on top. And then one more back up to close off the hands. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Let's start underneath the body and let's draw 2 curves down. And 2 more curves down from the outside. Now for the feet, let's hop inside the legs and let's draw a large curve out and down. Now top to the center and let's draw 2 curves down. And a curve across to close off each foot. And that's it for the Smurf. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!